The roots of Clan Lennox can be traced back to the Celtic Mormears of Levenax, who ruled over the lands encompassing Dunbartonshire, Renfrewshire, Stirlingshire, and Perthshire. The name Lennox itself derives from the Gaelic term Leven-ach, meaning smooth stream. By the 12th century, the Earldom of Lennox had gained prominence, though its exact origins remain a subject of debate among historians. One theory suggests that a Saxon baron named Arkyll received lands in Dumbartonshire and Stirlingshire from Malcolm III. Through marriage to a Scottish heiress, Arkyll's son, Alwyn, became the first Earl of Lennox. Another theory proposes that the earldom was conferred by William the Lion upon his brother, David, Earl of Huntingdon. Regardless of its origins, the Earls of Lennox became a powerful noble family by the 13th century. The Earls of Lennox played a significant role in Scottish affairs. Malcolm, the fifth Earl, staunchly supported Robert the Bruce's claim to the Scottish crown and even led his Lennox men into England to besiege Carlisle. He swore fealty to Edward I of England but was also at the forefront of the struggle for Scottish independence. However, the path of the Lennox clan was not without obstacles. Succession disputes arose, and the earldom passed through the female line to Walter de Francelaine, who assumed the title of Earl of Lennox. The connection with Regent Albany proved to be unfortunate, as James I, upon his return from imprisonment, executed the Earl of Lennox and his son-in-law, Albany. Throughout its history, Clan Lennox produced notable figures who left an enduring impact on Scottish and European affairs. Henry, Lord Darnley, the unfortunate husband of Mary, Queen of Scots, belonged to the Lennox clan. His untimely death and the subsequent events played a significant role in shaping Scottish history. Additionally, Esme Stuart, a descendant of the Lennox clan, was appointed Duke of Lennox by James VI. The dukedom was later passed down to Charles Lennox, an illegitimate son of Charles II, who became the progenitor of the present Duke of Richmond, Gordon, and Lennox. The history of Clan Lennox is intertwined with the history of Scotland itself. Though the direct line of the Lennox earls and dukedoms eventually died out, their legacy endures. In the 19th century, the Lennoxes of Woodhead, recognized as the chief family of the name, claimed the right to succeed the ancient Earls of Lennox.